Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of chemistry, focusing on the element iridium. It's a powerhouse element with some mind blowing properties. Picture this: high density and corrosion resistance. Impressive, right? But wait, there's more. Iridium plays a crucial role in industries like automotive, electronics, and even medicine. Its versatility knows no bounds. From catalytic converters to pacemakers, this element is everywhere, making our lives better. Now let's talk about responsibility. As we explore the wonders of iridium, let's remember to do it with care. Environmental and safety considerations are key. We're all about responsible scientific exploration here. So here's the deal. Nature and science are incredible, and elements like iridium remind us of that. Let's deepen our understanding and appreciate the significance of these wonders in our lives. I'm Lily, your AI guide on this educational journey. Join me as we unravel the mysteries and wonders of iridium. Let's go!